we've added several types of workflow type features to the LabKey product. Several of these cases, these workflows include email notifications that might go out to a given user, notifying them of some change to the data or some action that they need to take within the system. As we've added more of these email notifications, we've also wanted to kind of centralize the way that they can be viewed from within the LabKey server itself. For the 16.2 release, we added a notification panel inbox as an experimental feature that we can show in the upper right-hand corner of the screen next to the user's login information. So you'll see here on my local server, I have that indicator shown, that experimental feature turned on, and I have 8 notifications that have been unread for my user account. As an example of this new experimental feature, we added in the 16.2 release notifications that will go out as part of our core issues list module. And I'm going to use that module as an example to demonstrate this new notification panel and the look and feel of it. So to do that, I'm going to start by impersonating a different user who has permissions to this container and create a new issue assigned to my user account so that I can see what happened, what it looks like for a new notification to show up in my inbox. So here from the issues list in my home directory, I'm going to create a new issue and assign it to Corey Nathy, so the user account that we're going to use to view the notifications, and we're just going to create a test issue here, and the notifications will happen for the person that the issue is assigned to, along with any users added to the notify list box here on the right. So I'm going to go ahead and save that and stop impersonating this user to go back to my original Corey Nathy account, and you'll see my indicator in the upper right hand corner has now changed from 8 to 9. And if I click on that inbox, we'll see the new issue show up underneath the issues heading. So the notification panel is split up into sections based on the different types of notifications. So in my case here, I'm showing 3 different types of notifications that I've set up on my local server. The notifications display kind of in a summarized format showing the date that they were created, the user that initiated the notification, and a quick short description of that issue. If there's further details about a given notification, the issue can be, the panel can be expanded to see the full details and interacted with in that manner. The notifications can also be directly dismissed from this panel using the X on the right-hand side. This does not delete the notification, it just marks it as read. Whereas if I actually click on a notification, it'll take me to the action, the caller of that notification, so I can view it in full details. So if I go ahead and click on this new issue that was created and assigned to me, I go to the details of that issue, and at that point, the notification that was sent to my account is actually deleted from the system. So now you'll see, if I reopen the notification panel on the right, that issue from today created by user 1 is now gone. So it's been deleted since the action was taken that notification was attached to. In addition to kind of being able to click on notifications from this panel and dismiss them, there is at the very bottom a view all notifications link. So if I go ahead and click on that, that kind of just gives me an expanded view of all the notifications for my user account, showing the same information that's shown in the panel, but it will also show any read notifications along with the unread ones. So the bold items here are the unread notifications, and the ones that are kind of more shaded are the ones that I've already read or marked as read from the notification panel. The full details of the notification show up in the box underneath its date and creation user. And on the right-hand side, on a per notification basis, I can go ahead and mark it as read, I can delete it, or I can click the link to go to the action that created that notification. In addition, at the top, I can mark all of my notifications as read or all of them as deleted and kind of clear out my inbox in that manner. So again, this notification inbox is enabled as an experimental feature for 16.2 with hopes that as we continue adding notifications and workflow items that create notifications, this will become a more prominent feature that will warrant turning this off as an experimental feature and on as a core product. But for the time being, you can turn it on your server by going to the site admin console under the experimental features link and enable the notification menu.